A special shout out to each and every single one of my YouTube members for helping to support the channel. Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're gonna unbox some PR, and then I found this subscription called the kitnipbox. It's a kitty cat subscription. In the past, I've unboxed a subscription for dogs, and I found one for kitty cats. As you know, I got a kitty cat, and she's about to start slapping her toy around, so you may hear it go off, but hey, that's just how it is around here. So we're gonna unbox that. We've got some candles, we've got some PR from For Cosmetics. So let's go ahead, and before we jump into today's video, if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Rhonda, and I am filming to get my mind off of things, but I got my girl over here playing and carrying on. So anyway, I got this toy off the TikTok shop, and she loves it. It's a self-entertainment toy. Well, maybe I'll find it at Chewy's. I don't know. Anyways, let's get into the box. The box is $21 and change after tax and everything. And it's this cute little monthly box that is literally geared towards your cat. So the first thing in here is one of these like little, I don't even know what it's called. It's like a lick mat. That's what it's called. It's a little lick mat, and that's the part you put on the floor, and then it's like a little puzzle, and you put little wet food and whatnot, treats in here, and then your cat takes their time and doesn't, like, I guess, overindulge. And they actually included some little squeezy treats in here. She was actually in my FabFitFun box, guys, for the longest time. And now she's like, oh, we're in here now? Okay, I'm gonna play with this. Next in here is this tape measure wand. She actually loves these kind of toys. So it actually has a little bead in here. Hey! She's like, I want to, but this has obviously got my attention. So they sent one of these last month, and it was really cute. She likes it. We just have to be careful, because that's the one thing about these I'm not a fan of, is it's got that hard piece in there. You can easily cut it out. Then we've got in here these little toys. So I guess they got catnip in there maybe. If not, I have organic catnip spray that I'll put on some of her new toys just to get her to be like, oh, well, that's kind of cute. So that was what is included in the little box. And then of course they've got a little price for everything. So anyways, if you guys are interested in picking this up, I will have a link down below for you all. But I thought it was really cutesy, and she enjoys it. All right, let's jump in. Next, we've got the new collection with Samantha March and For Cosmetics. She came out with 3 new lip gloss shades, and I think they're really pretty. They're right up my alley, nice and neutral. We love, love, love. Okay, just had a delivery. The packaging was a little brown thingy. So just had a delivery. So look at this. They actually are bringing out Jottie's eyeshadow topper. This is the Sparklight topper in the shade Strong. That is actually coming out as a single shadow, which I'm so excited about. So ginormous congratulations to my girl Jottie. Code Hotmess will save you 20% on all Oprah's website. So definitely make sure to check it out. I'm so excited that they brought this back. Anyways, back to the lippies. These are available currently, and I think Samantha's favorites are maybe still on sale. Not for sure on that, but I did want to let you guys know, it did say like April 17th is when they're bringing Jottie's toppers back, and you can also include the little lip glosses too from Samantha. Sorry guys, my blood sugar just went low. Good fun times. Well, this is not a weird video at all. Okay, I did pick up some more of the squeezy treats for my kitty cat. Those arrived. Then we've got a PR package from It Cosmetics. Alright, so this is from It Cosmetics. I will link what I can for you guys down below. Oh, I'm so excited over this. We've got a new concealer. So this is a crease resistant radiant instant smoothing multivitamin serum, and it does have a new airbrush angle concealer with a built-in brush, I guess. Oh, it looks really dark. Tan neutral and then tan cool. Huh, okay. They did send over a Sun Blush. And then they did send over an airbrush. I guess it's like a concealer brush. Let's open this at least. But the blush I think is definitely gonna work. Oh, this blush is pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. It's kind of got like a sunburnt shade to it. Oh, I like that so much. I love the consistency of it too. Nice cream, no scent. Very, very pretty. I like that a lot. And summertime, I literally, it's sunscreen. Well, pretty much like next to no makeup. That's how I roll. Plus, I've had a lot going on, so. Anyways, oh, I'm so sad about that. Anyways, thank you to It Cosmetics, though. I do appreciate that. It's a Do It All Radiant Concealer without settling in fine lines. That would be really, really nice. Then my girl Martha came out with a collection, a new collection, and a little information. She said they've been working on something super exciting for a long time. It just launched. It is the new Discovery set. So it's a classic collection of yoga-inspired collection. Each Discovery set has 8 mini 4-ounce soy candles and a stunning sturdy 4-ounce gold tin. And there's 2 different ones to unbox for you guys. It's 20+ hours of burn time. Just trim the wick, of course. So anyways, and it does say that our seasonal favorite sweet pea is now added to the classic collection, and this is the yoga inspired, I almost said yogurt, Lord Jesus, inspired collection. This is the Discovery set, so you'll get this little box. Smells amazing. These make excellent gifts. Of course, code Hotmess saves you 15% off of $15 or more. Okay, so the first, I really like this. So here's the little gold tin, 4 ounces. The first one is Gratitude. It's a grapefruit scent. Oh, I love that. Why do I always do that? Every time I unbox a candle, I like, here guys. Oh, I love that so much. This is Crescent Pose. It's a mint eucalyptus scent. Reminds me, I did it again. It reminds me of being at a spa. Oh, I love that. This is like take a bath, some Epsom salt, relax, set the mood. Oh my gosh, you get like a whole collection. This is Child's Pose with jasmine and honeysuckle. Yes. These are excellent gifts, guys. I won't sit through I won't make you guys sit and watch me smell all of them. But oh my gosh, even if you didn't give this whole collection as a gift and you broke it up, these would make excellent gifts. I would even honestly think ahead and think about Christmas, stocking stuffers, Mother's Day gifts, what have you. The rest of them is the amber sandalwood. Then we have freesia and sea salt. Then we've got bergamot, fir, and cedar, and then lavender vanilla. So amazing for that set. Moving on to the next set is the Classic Collection Discovery set. This is going to have the cocoa mango, the gardenia, the pineapple sage, the pink musk, the rose sandalwood, and the sweet pea, strawberry guava, and white tea. So again, boxed up super duper cute. And then you've got this whole box. They smell so lovely. So again, you've got your little 4-ounce candles. They burned for 20 hours. Oh, that just smells like spring. I love that. And these are the candles that I trust, especially around my little cutie patootie, a cutie kitty. Yeah, you coming to check it all out? So, ooh, I love pink musk. That's a good one. I love that one. Anyways, don't forget you can also get her car diffusers and then also order the little oils to put on that diffuser. And we use those in our car. They are wonderful. But like I said, if you are looking for amazing little gifts, definitely check out Martha over at The Good Candle. Her candles are so good. They're safe, they're non-toxic. They're everything you want if you want your house to smell nice and delicious and you have pets and littles. So anyways, I will be linking The Good Candle's website down below, and don't forget code HOTMESS will save you that 10% off at checkout. Oh, I love cocoa mango. This is a good one too. It's like fresh and fruity, but yummy and delicious. I love these candles so much. So anyways, friends, that is actually all for today's little video. If you are interested in picking up the Kitnip box or any of the items that I showed you in today's video, I will have everything linked and listed down below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are looking for amazing gifts, definitely check out the Good Candle. Anyways, friends, that's all for today's video. Until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Bye. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me?